Hello and welcome back to spreadsheet demonstration of review number 3. All right, this is review number 3. It is found on page 181 of your textbook. And at the moment we are beginning with step number 8. Step number 8, we're going to calculate a couple of values for yield and revenue. All right, so in cell B20, all right, left click there. All right, we're going to calculate the farmer's average soybean yield. All right, it begins with the equal sign because all of our formulas and functions start with equal sign. It'll be a round and an average E4 colon E25 0 and press enter. Okay, let's go back to that cell in a little while. And in cell B21 equals the median of E4 through E25. Okay, and in B24 we have equal sign B19 times B sticky 1 2 times. Tell you, I ought to back this up and beat up the shift key while I'm here. Okay, equal sign B19 times B4. In the cell B25, we calculate the total revenue from the soybean crop by multiplying the total bushels harvested, okay, the one above in B24, by the total current price. Where is the price? Oh, there it is. It's in H7 equals B24 times H7. Okay. Now we're going to apply the calculation style to all the other things we've entered so far. Okay, so all these calculations, these two, hold down the control key and B16 through 21. And B24 and 5, and we're going to apply the cell style called calculation so that people tell the difference between the areas I'm going to type into and the areas that are calculated by the computer. Okay, so that was step number 9. Okay, item 10, it says use the goal seek feature to determine what value in B4 will result in a total soybean revenue of $40,000. Okay? All right, so this is a pretty interesting idea. Basically, you're backing into a number. Okay? So if I want the cell B25 to say something like $40,000, which is almost $5,000 more than it currently says, I need to do some things. Okay, so let's present this with some what-if analysis. Make sure that your pointer is in the cell B25, and then go to the Data tab. And within the Data tab, look in the Forecast group for the what-if analysis. Within what if analysis, choose the goal seek. Okay, so in order to set B25 to a value of 40,000, 40123, we're going to have to change the value in the number B4. That is to say, the total soybean crop size. How much soybean crop do we have to plant in order to make $40,000? And then we're going to choose OK. So basically, we increased our acreage from 72 to 81.5 acres. and click OK. In item 11, in the growth worksheet, okay, so we're going to change worksheets, and this will be important for you to understand when you're taking your final exam. If they tell you in the growth worksheet, that implies that you're going to change worksheet. In the cell B5, right here, enter a formula with a function to display today's current date. Okay, the equal sign today. And this is one of those rare functions that have no argument. That is, there's nothing in between the parentheses. Okay, and we'll accept that entry. In the cell number 12, use autofill to insert the text strings day 1 through day 112 in the range D5 through D116. Okay, so here's D5, and I'll type in day 1. And then the cell below, day 2. And the down below, day 3. Okay, so that's 3 in a row. I'm going to take a guess. I'm going to wonder that the computer can figure out a pattern based on 3 cells. Let's see how we do. Well, look at that. The computer figured it out. That's pretty darn genius. Okay, we're going to take a pause here for a minute, and I'll pick it up on step number 13 in review number 3 in the next video. So first, before you do anything at all, save your work, just in case, and I'll see you at the next video.